Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can sign out of your Steam account. So guys, if you're trying to sign out of your Steam account but you don't know how to do so in mobile, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open your Steam app first, and once you're in the app, just look at the top right corner where you can see a question mark like icon. Just go ahead and tap there, and once you're here, you just can find many options over here like friend activity, your friends, groups, screenshots, badges, inventory, and account details. So you just need to tap on account details to find the details of your account. You have many other options here, but in order to sign out, you can just find it right at the bottom of the first page. So once you're here, just go ahead and tap on sign out and tap on yes, and in this way you'd successfully be able to sign out of your Steam account. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you sign out of your Steam account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.